Hello friends, today's topic long-term performance of various sectors. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. There are more than 20 to 25 main sectors under which the shares are classified. They may be financial services, automobiles, pharma, IT, energy, etc. ET Money, Economic Times Money, has done a study on how various sectors indices have performed in the long term. Performance of various sectors. Sector Nifty Auto 10-year returns 14.08%, 15-year returns 18.35%. Nifty FMCG 10-year returns 14.33%, 15-year returns 18.08%. Nifty IT 10-year returns 17.05%, 15-year returns 17.87%. Nifty Private Bank 10-year returns 12.96%, 15-year returns 16.09%. Nifty MNC 10-year returns 15.72%, 15-year returns 16.09%. Nifty India Consumption 10-year returns 15.7%, 15-year returns 16.07%. Nifty Pharma 10-year returns 9.24% and 15-year returns 15.5%. Nifty Bank 10-year returns 13.19%, 15-year returns 14.54%. Nifty Infrastructure 10-year returns 13.24%, 15-year returns 7.63%. Nifty Realty 10-year returns 17.27%, 15-year returns 4.65%. Nifty Energy 10-year returns 18.69%, 15-year returns 13.2%. Nifty Services Sector 10-year returns 14.01%, 15-year returns 13.54%. So, this data is very useful for us to decide which sectors we can study more and allocate money. We are giving the examples of some stocks which are part of each of the different sectors. Examples of stocks in various sectors. Nifty Auto, examples of stocks: Maruti Suzuki, M&M, Tata Motors, Ashok Leyland, Hero Motocar, TVS Motors. Nifty FMCG, HUL, ITC, Dabur, Nestle, Marico, Colgate, Britannia, Tata Consumer Products. Nifty IT, TCS, Infosys, HCL Tech, Wipro, Tech Mahindra, LTI Mindtree. Nifty Private Bank, HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, Kotak Bank, Axis Bank, IndusInd Bank. Nifty MNC, Bata, HUL, ABB India, 3M India, Siemens, Pfizer. Nifty Indian Consumption, Asian Paints, Havells, Avenue Supermart, Titan, Trent. Nifty Pharma, Sun Pharma, Divis Labs, Torrent Pharma, Cipla, Biocom. Nifty Bank, SBI, HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, Bank of Baroda, Kotak Bank. Nifty Infrastructure, ACC, Ambuja Cements, DLF, L&T, Ultratech Cement. Nifty Realty, DLF, Brigade Enterprises, Prestige, Shobha, Phoenix Mills. Nifty Energy, Adani Energy, Reliance Industries, Tata Power, BPCL, IOC. Nifty Services Sector, Bajaj Finance, Bharti Airtel, HDFC Life, ICICI Prudential, Shriram Finance. So these are some of the examples of the stocks, the respective Nifty sectoral indices and their long-term performances. This will help all investors, new or experienced, to do further research. There will be smaller stocks in these sectors which have a much smaller market cap. Our list contains the largest and the most prominent stocks only. End of the video, here is a question. In how many sectors have you invested your money for long term? Type the number of sectors in the comment section. In case you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon. Send the video to all your friends. The video is good. Press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.